Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Development Channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Power Automate to refresh your Power BI dataset automatically, so your reports are always up to date and without you lifting a finger. So let's get started. So the goal for this video is to refresh Power BI datasets using Power Automate. So click on log into your Power Automate, then click on create, then click on automated cloud flow, then click on here skip. Then also let's add this trigger, that's recurrence. Then our interval should be 1 month. Then let's select our time zone. Then let's add another trigger, that's delay. So every 6th of every month, that's where the refresh will be. So 6th, then day, you can set it to that's hour or minutes. Then let's add the trigger, that's refresh. That's Power BI refresh a dataset. I already have my datasets on Power BI service, then also Power BI desktop, so it depends on you, just choose any of them. So this is my workspace, that's my workspace. Then this is my dataset, that's HR analysis dashboard. Then this is Power BI service, so you can upload it on Power BI service or Power BI desktop, it depends on you. Then also we are done. Then click on save. Then let's click on test. We are done. So I'll leave you so that you press it on. Goodbye.